and welcome to Mantis Eye right here on Ideascope Media YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today on Mantis Eye, we want to give you the list of all the African countries participating in the Tokyo Olympics 2021 and the number of athletes representing each country. But before we begin, if this channel looks like a channel that you'll be totally interested in, why not smash the subscribe button and don't forget to also like this video at the end. 20 Summer Olympics started in Tokyo, Japan on July 23rd, 2021 and will end on August 8th. This Olympic was originally scheduled to take place in the Asian city from July 24th, 2020 to August 9th, 2020. However, it was postponed due to the COVID-19 pandemic that hit last year. In this year's Olympics, a total of 11,091 athletes are expected to compete in 41 different sports and 339 events. For the record, this is the fourth Olympic Games to be held in Japan. In this year's Olympic, 205 countries are participating alongside the International Olympic Committee refugee team. Out of these 205 countries, 54 countries are representing the African continent. From Western Africa, we have 16 countries participating in the Olympics. They are Nigeria with 60 athletes, Ivory Coast with 28 athletes, Ghana with 14 athletes, Cameroon with 12 athletes, Senegal with 9 athletes, Burkina Faso with 7 athletes, Benin Republic with 7 athletes, Niger Republic with 7 athletes, Cape Verde with 6 athletes, Guinea with 5 athletes, Mali with 4 athletes, Gambia with 4 athletes, Guinea-Bissau with 4 athletes as well, Togo with 4 athletes, Sierra Leone with 4 athletes, and Liberia with 3 athletes. In Southern Africa, there are 8 countries participating in the Olympics. They are South Africa with 177 athletes. This makes South Africa the country with the highest number of athletes from Africa. We also have Zambia with 26 athletes, Angola with 20 athletes, Botswana with 13 athletes, Namibia with 11 athletes, Zimbabwe with 5 athletes, Eswatini with 4 athletes, and Lesotho with 2 athletes. From East Africa, there are also 16 countries participating in the Olympics. They are Kenya with 85 athletes, Ethiopia with 38 athletes, Uganda with 25 athletes, Eritrea with 13 athletes, Mozambique with 10 athletes, Mauritius with 8 athletes, Madagascar with 6 athletes, Burundi with 6 athletes as well, Rwanda with 6 athletes, Seychelles with 5 athletes, Malawi with 5 athletes, Djibouti with 4 athletes, Tanzania with 3 athletes, Comoros with 3 athletes, South Sudan with 2 athletes, and Somalia with 2 athletes as well. From Northern Africa, there are 6 countries participating in the Olympics. They are Egypt with 133 athletes, Tunisia with 63 athletes, Morocco with 50 athletes, Algeria with 44 athletes, Sudan with 5 athletes, and Libya with 4 athletes. From Central Africa, there are 7 countries participating in the Olympics. They are Democratic Republic of Congo with 7 athletes, Gabon with 5 athletes, Chad with 3 athletes, Equatorial Guinea with 3 athletes, Republic of the Congo with 3 athletes as well, Sao Tome and Principe with 3 athletes, and the Central African Republic with 2 athletes. And finally, from the Northwest region, we have the only country participating as Mauritania with 2 athletes. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Do let us know what you think about the African countries that are participating in this year's Olympics in the comment section. If you have not already subscribed, why not just smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to also like and share this video. Till our next video, stay African and stay beautiful. Bye.